Hello everyone, welcome to Newlife English. I'm Ellie. In this video, you will practice 30 daily English conversations. Each conversation is short, simple, and useful for real life. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and practice speaking every day. Let's get started.
Conversation 1. Greeting a friend.
Hi, how are you today?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm doing well.
That's good to hear. Conversation 2. At school.
What class do you have now?
I have English class.
Who's your teacher?
Ms. Lan, she's very kind. Conversation 3. Asking about homework.
Do we have homework today?
Yes, we do.
What is it?
We need to write a short paragraph. Conversation 4. Talking about the weather.
It's very hot today.
Yes, the weather is terrible.
Do you like hot weather?
Not really. I prefer cool days. Conversation 5. Making a simple request.
Can you help me with this exercise?
Sure. Which one?
Number 5.
Okay, let's do it together. Conversation 6. At a coffee shop.
What would you like to drink?
I'd like a milk tea, please.
What size do you want?
Medium, please. Conversation 7. Talking about free time.
What do you do in your free time?
I usually watch YouTube.
What do you watch?
English learning videos. Conversation 8. Asking for directions.
Excuse me, where is the restroom?
It's on the second floor.
How do I get there?
Go straight and turn left. Conversation 9. Talking about food.
What's your favorite food?
I like fried rice.
Do you eat it often?
Yes. I eat it twice a week. Conversation 10. Making plans.
Are you free this afternoon?
Yes, I am.
Do you want to study together?
That sounds great. Conversation 11. Talking about hobbies.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy playing badminton.
How often do you play?
3 times a week. Conversation 12. Asking about health.
You look tired today.
I didn't sleep well last night.
What happened?
I studied too late. Conversation 13. At the supermarket.
Can I help you?
Yes. How much is this bag?
It's 50,000 dong.
Okay, I'll take it. Conversation 14. Talking about family.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 people.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 sisters. Conversation 15. At school break time.
What are you doing now?
I'm eating my lunch.
Is it good?
Yes, it's very tasty. Conversation 16. Talking about music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Who is your favorite singer?
I like Suntung MTP. Conversation 17. Asking for opinions.
What do you think of this book?
It's interesting.
Is it difficult to read?
No, it's quite easy. Conversation 18. Talking about travel.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
No, I haven't.
Where do you want to go?
I want to visit Japan. Conversation 19. Making an invitation.
Would you like to join our English club?
When is it?
Every Saturday morning.
Sure, I'd love to. Conversation 20. Talking about study habits.
How do you learn new words?
I write them in a notebook.
Do you review them?
Yes, every day. Conversation 21. Asking for help.
I don't understand this sentence.
Which part is confusing?
The last word.
Let me explain it to you. Conversation 22. Talking about daily routine.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6.
What do you do next?
I brush my teeth and exercise. Conversation 23. At the library.
Is this seat free?
Yes, it is.
May I sit here?
Of course. Conversation 24. Talking about technology.
Do you use your phone a lot?
Yes, I do.
What do you use it for?
Learning English and chatting. Conversation 25. Expressing feelings.
I'm nervous about the test tomorrow.
Don't worry too much.
I'm afraid I'll forget everything.
Just relax and do your best. Conversation 26. Talking about sports.
What sport do you like?
I like football.
Do you play or watch it?
I usually watch it on TV. Conversation 27. At the doctor's.
What's the matter with you?
I have a cough.
How long have you had it?
For 3 days. Conversation 28. Talking about dreams.
What do you want to be in the future?
I want to be an English teacher
Why is that?
because I like teaching. Conversation 29. Saying sorry.
Sorry I forgot to call you.
That's okay.
I was very busy yesterday.
I understand. Conversation 30. Ending a conversation.
It's getting late.
Yes, we should go home.
See you tomorrow.
See you.